Welcome to your ultimate home spa experience with the Eanpet Portable Steam Sauna Box, a foldable sauna room perfect for indoor or outdoor use. This spacious sauna tent comes in 2 sizes designed to comfortably fit adults of various heights, featuring a waterproof folding chair for enhanced relaxation. Enjoy fast heating with a powerful 1100W steamer that quickly generates steam, controlled easily by a remote with 9 temperature settings and a 99-minute timer. Made from thick, waterproof cotton fabric, this sauna tent ensures safety, heat preservation, and prevents unpleasant odors. Its unique design includes a handy pocket for your phone, dual zippers for easy access, and a transparent window to breathe fresh air anytime. The strong sealing and sweat-absorbent mat keep your sauna environment comfortable and clean. Plus, the sauna tent folds up effortlessly for portable use, wherever you want to unwind and detoxify. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.